You are mine and I'm all yours. That's what we in for. Let's two-step, baby, on the living room floor. Let's 1, 2 touch. Need one more touch. What a waterfall. What a waterfall.
Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Daisy. So today what I'm going to be showing you how I got this beautiful purple unicorn inspired hair, and I'm also going to give a review on this great company. It's called Arora hair. So this was a blonde unit at first and I transformed it. So if you are interested to see the process, then make sure you stay tuned, and don't forget to show your support and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also hit that subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed. To start off the watercolor method, I'm going to use Cotton Candy by Arora. That's some semi-permanent hair dye. And here is the blonde wig straight out of the packaging. It's a 613 wig. It's 20 inches and 130% density. It's very soft and flowy, as you guys can see here. And I could just run my fingers right through the hair so it does not tangle. Here I have the cotton candy color mixed with some really hot water, and I just place a little bit of semi-permanent dye at a time because sometimes the ends can just soak up all the dye, so you just want to go back and forth. I left the hair in the water dye mixture for about 15 minutes and I let it air dry a little bit, and this is the final product. So I'm looking for a purple pastel unicorn inspired hair. So now I'm going to dye the ends really dark purple. I have some boiling hot water here and I just mixed some purple dye, and I'm just going to do each end at a time and leave it in the water for about 15 minutes. I sectioned off the wig in 3 separate parts so I can make sure that I don't have any dye on the top part of the hair closer to the roots, as you can see. So the only thing that's being dyed right now is the ends. If your color isn't vibrant enough, then just go back in with some dye. As you can see, I'm just placing a little bit of dye in the water at a time so I can get that right pigment of this color. And I'm just mixing in the hair and the water. Just mix it up really good, and that would make sure that the dye is evenly distributed. Now here is the purple hair once I left it in the water for about 15 minutes. So you can see this water dye method is amazing. Like, it gets the job done and saves me a lot of work and a mess. Please forgive my messed up towels, but those are bleach towels I use on a consistent basis to dye my hair. Once I finished the ends, I took the full wig and dipped it in that hair dye, and this is the end result. I wanted more of an ombre look, so the top part of the hair is lighter and the ends are darker. Here's a closer view as I'm letting the wig air dry. It's so pretty. I'm just loving this pastel color, and then it gives me a little bit of dark violet on the ends. It came out exactly how I wanted it. So this is the final product. I wind up putting some curls in this wig. It's so cute. Isn't the colors just giving me life? This is definitely what I was going for. It's unicorn vibes. It's like a nice pink pastel color on the top, and then the ends a nice violet color. So I just pin curled these curls and just letting it sit overnight, and I'm gonna get this video popping for you. So I got me a stocking cap. We're gonna get this stocking cap method going. Now your braids don't have to be perfect. As you can see, mine's are These are about 2 weeks old, and I'm not doing them over till maybe tomorrow. It's the weekend, so I usually do my braids over on Sunday, or I just take my hair out and wear my real hair. So you want to push your edges back behind the stocking cap. And we're gonna take some of the Got To Be Glue Freeze It spray and spray my hairline. And we're gonna cut a hole through the ears. I'm gonna take my blow dryer on cool settings and just make sure that all of this glue is dry. I use my blow dryer for about 1.5 minutes, and I'm just gonna cut the excess stocking cap. You want to do a little bit at a time. You don't want to cut off too much in the beginning. So just get an idea of where you're going to place your lace. So I don't like to place it too forward on my forehead. So I'm just going to cut a little bit more off. So I got my stocking cap blade. I'm gonna take some alcohol and I'm just gonna rub that against my edges to get rid of any glue that may be on my skin, so we can have a nice finish with this lace front. Then I'm gonna take some of my pressed powder and put that along my hairline so it can be closer to my skin tone. So I don't place it all over the cap. I just place it where I know I'm gonna part my hair and where the hairline is. Now I'm gonna take my Got To Be glue and I'm just gonna place that along my hairline to lay this frontal wig. So it's a frontal wig. So here I got my cute unicorn wig. I still have it in pin curls. Now I cut off the lace. It has 2 combs in the front, well actually 3 combs. So 1 in the middle and 2 on the side, as well as 1 on the bottom. It comes with adjustable straps, but I never use them, so I cut them off. I'm just gonna place this bad boy on my head.
Can I interrupt you for? Can I interrupt you for a couple moments, Steve?
Yes, you can. So I got my wig laid. I'm just gonna take my blow dryer on a cool settings and just make sure that it stays properly. Now I'm just gonna take my curls down so I can make sure that everything is right. All right, now I get the pins out, my curls popping. I'm just gonna shake my head side to side. This kind of loosens up the curls. It looks crazy, but it works, trust me. The watercolor method is one of my favorite ways to dye my hair now. It's so easy, and I did try it once before, but I wanted to try it kind of using like an ombre color. So if you can see here, the purple shade is darker on the tips of my hair, and then it gets lighter towards the top. I started off by dyeing my hair the cotton candy color, and I dyed the whole wig that color, let it air dry, and then I did the tips with this argan oil, this neon purple. I did it. This hair is amazing. This was straight 613 hair. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's totally transformed, okay? It's very soft, it's very long as well. I believe this is 20 inches, and let's see, if I pull out my curls, it does go past my bust area, so it is true to length. It does not tangle. As you can see, I can still run my fingers through these curls, and this hair holds curls amazingly. You know, every company does not have great straight hair that can hold the curls, so I'm glad this wig can be very versatile. I can wear it straight, or I can put some cute little curls in here. So I'm loving it so far. Shipping did not take long at all. It took about 4 to 6 business days, and they also have an email address where you can contact them if you have any questions or concerns about your package. It's very affordable. It's kind of more on a higher scale, because I usually have wigs that are like $130, $100, something like that, but this wig is about $200. I will have the exact price and the link where you can get this wig if you're interested down below in the description box. So overall, I do love the watercolor method. This was the perfect hair to do the watercolor method on, because the hair is really soft, it didn't tangle, it does not shed, so we're good to go. I have no complaints about this hair. This company is amazing, and I definitely would love to receive more hair from them, because I had no problems. And usually I'll have a little bit of shedding or tangling. Had no shedding, no tangling. I love this purple color. It's amazing, and this hair quality is A1. Trust me, sis. Now again, don't forget, ladies, this company is called Arora Hair. They have great quality hair. It's A1. They'll have all the information in the description box. And if you guys did enjoy this review / tutorial on this beautiful unicorn watercolor hair, then make sure you show your girl some support and give me a thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed. Thank you for watching. Bye.